Yellow spinner, you're on penstock, channel about pen spinning, and today I will show you how I make waterfall, and also will make a bunch of them in this video. So waterfall looks like this. It is my favorite pen mod, good for beginners, intermediate and pro pen spinners, for all levels of pen spinners. To do waterfall mod we will need super pirate body, 2 Signa tips, 2 white caps, Reynolds 094, 2 Dr. Grip grips, and 1 connector, preferably white. You will also need some tools such as paper tape and very sharp knife. And also I will use this grip cutter, available on penstock if you're up for pen modding. This is a must-have. Yeah, we will also need scissors to cut the paper tape. First of all, I will attach Reynolds caps to super pirate body. For that I take this paper tape and put it on plug. If cap sits not so tight, I need to add a little bit of tape. And from another side also 1 cap. For that I will also add a paper tape. You need to add the paper tape at the very end of tip of super pirate body. Now I will put Signa tips inside Reynolds caps. And now waterfall is almost ready. Now we need to cut Dr. Grip grips and put them on Reynolds caps. For that I will take this grip cutter, my waterfall, and measure the grips accordingly. What I like in these grip cutters, they have these ribs which allow me to cut grips precisely. Length of Dr. Grip may vary from 3.5 to 4 centimeters. I like the length of my waterfall Dr. Grip grips, so I measure all of them to this size. So now I cut on the rib of Dr. Grip cutter, and with 1 movement I cut the grip round. As you can see, pretty precise cutting. So now we have 2 smooth Dr. Grip grips, clear ones, and now we just need to put them on caps. And our waterfall is ready. These tips will eventually go inside caps and you're not going to be able to do anything with it. But right now waterfall looks perfect, and it's going to look like this for about 1 year at least. For example, this waterfall I use every day, and it is about 1.5 or maybe even 2 years old. Now I will make a bunch of different waterfalls. First of all, I will make these workpieces. Then I attach as many caps as I need.
Je call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen.
So right now I have 18 work pieces, so I need at least 36 Dr. Grip grips. Hate when it happens, but sometimes Dr. Grip grips got Okay, now as I have this whole of a lot Dr. Grip grips, also work pieces, I'm gonna connect them with these work pieces, and we'll have about 18 waterfalls and 19 including this one.
The leaves are turning brown. I'm still looking for you. The snow is falling down. I'm still searching for you. I never thought it through. Always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you.
So our waterfalls are ready, aren't they just beautiful? Now my fingers are a bit tired of putting grips on, because putting grips on caps is very hard. But it's worth it. Now I'm going to wrap it up in plastic and they are ready to be shipped to you guys from penstock.net. Go and pick them up. I know a lot of you guys asked me where are waterfalls. So here they are. As you can see, I have a lot of signet tips, it's not all of them. Maybe I will do a video like this. If you liked it, leave a like and let me know in the comment section below. I will make such video about flying pandas because I'm going to make a lot of them soon as well. Grips are ready and I have a lot of Crayola tips, Crayola buddies.